Hello, good afternoon everyone. In my local time is 10 p.m. 10 a.m. and today I will show you the other tool, but this is for PHP or the framework Laravel. And then why I create new video about Heart. Previously I create Heart in oldest version, but in the new version of Heart it is very simple, and Heart already create for the Windows 2. And then as the Heart say, one-click PHP development environment, zero dependencies, zero headache. So yeah, it's a simple way to set up your Laravel development, because in old way we also install a PHP version dependently, and then install Composer, and then we run Laravel new Laravel slash like we manually create other project. So if in the Heart you also create a Laravel just using Heart. So I will show you after this. And then in the new latest of version of Heart, Heart provide fast debugging, and this currently, and Heart also provide not version using not version manager, because in the Laravel we also need like Tailwind CSS or other like Livewire UI. It needs Node.js dependencies, so I think this wise decision. And then in Heart we can see another service like MySQL Progress, MongoDB, but this is provide in Pro feature. I will create in other session how to other way or alternative way to run MySQL Progress or Mongo with how you buying this Pro feature. And then Heart also integrate with Laravel Forge and share site configuration with your team. And then debug application email using MailForge, Mailtrap, like Mailtrap, and other features. And you can, so if you're using free, I think this is enough for free. And if you want to pro, like a professional or freelance, you can get a DAMS, mail, log viewer, services, Xdebug detection, license for 1 year. This is only for 1 year, not lifetime. So this is the biggest consideration, and email support. And then Heart matches with Tinkerwell and exposes. And then I think this is for the integration, and I will show you the Heart. Okay, if you already download in official website of Heard, you can get a DMG file, .dmg file, and then you install. You can follow the step. I already installed. They are already updated, so I will show you. In the first, you after you install Heard, you can set up your project path of your Laravel project. This is important. So for list of your website can expose. And then will be available via Heard, and this PHP version available in this Heard. In this node, I don't install because I am already use Fast Node Manager, Expose service in Laravel. Heard Pro will also Pro dumps debugger, and this for insert the license. This is called shortcut. I don't insert because I don't need for now. This is about. I close, and if you want check the list of site you create, you can click the sites and you can see this site for your project. I don't have. If you want to create, you already create for this. It's a very easy actually. And then this the configuration file of the Heard. Okay, I will show you how to create the project from when I create site, I think I will create again from okay. Close, and I will open it again, and this is this the list of your website if you have a project, and if you want to add we will set up again because they are a crash. Previous create project they are crash. UE drag mode inertia PHP unique next. Close and not secure. How make this secure? If you will make this secure and you can open because I don't start if you want start a database MySQL and then hard open in terminal and I will open into Visual Studio Code to configuration test YouTube. I will create this. It is application. If you see this no controller, this a blank. And the database env we have done key localhost and DB connection SQLite and then there's no such file in user websites to pick the periodical opening next PHP online. DB connection SQLite if I open this works, but if I open the test YouTube test, okay, I see. Stop. we delete, we create a new, okay, I will create new Laravel breeze, no starter kill, test, next. Oh, try to use another version, because I think in the new version is there are many problem. Close, test, next. Okay, on a new browser, I think it's I see there are many problem in the new version of 8.4, so I recommended to use version 8.3 or Laravel version 11. This the result, and we can close, we can secure, and you can also open in the next this is open for public, but the site is not secure, but it's open for public. You can access from anywhere as soon as your server is run or live. And then I think enough for me. If you want to explore heard it so far, and you want to ask anything about Laravel in the comment section, I feel free for answer your question. And thank you for watching my video, and see you again in the next video. Have a good day. Thank you.